Hi all, welcome to our channel Hall of Hobbies by Shri. This is Shri Padma and today we'll learn how to paint on a sling bag. For this we need a sling bag, fabric colors, or else you can use fabric markers as well, and some brushes and carbon paper for tracing and some basic stationery like pencil, eraser, scale. And here I have taken the sling bag from Canvas to Craft and I have mentioned the link in the description box also. I have chosen the Madhubani design since I am a traditional folk artist. I am drawing it free-handedly, but first suppose if you cannot draw free-handedly, you can always trace the design with the help of the carbon paper. Here I am using fabric markers. You can also, if you don't have this fabric markers, you can paint it with black fabric color with the help of the thin brush. Here I am filling it with some basic Madhubani patterns. Actually I am a traditional Madhubani artist and I do teach this Madhubani classes online as well, like 3 months course. So if you want to learn, just message me so that after the course you can just draw your own patterns. Here I am filling it up with different border designs and the basic shapes only, so that it will be easy for you. And at last I have chosen this pattern so that it adds more beauty to the painting. And once the down part is finished, on the top I have randomly filled it with some flowers, and on the back side also I have drawn some flowers randomly here and there, because on the back side it will not be seen. So here it is once it is fully completed. Now take the fabric colors. Here I am using Fevicryl Fabric colors and paint in whichever way you want. Here I have chosen monochrome style, so that I have taken a red, orange and yellow. And while painting, make sure that there are no white spaces left. Cover it completely. And while coloring, you can choose whichever way you want. That is completely your choice. And for the flowers, I have painted with these 3 colors randomly, and once the whole painting is done, let it dry completely on the front side. So after it's the paint completely dried, I am doing Kachni. Kachni is nothing but the line work. Actually we have 5 types of Madhubani. Kachni is one of that. So for suppose if you don't want this line work, you can also fill it with different colors as well. And on the back side I have painted using these 3 colors randomly, and once it is fully dried, just give the outline once again with the black fabric marker, so that it adds more beauty and it will highlight the design. So this is how it looks once it is fully completed on the back side. So I hope you guys enjoyed and do follow for more such videos.